This wasn't the video that I planned to make today, but it's the video I'm making today. Earlier today, I was out making a video on the 2,000-mile long-term review of my Cirrus flat bar carbon road bike. And to make it more comfortable, I installed a couple of aftermarket accessories. The Elita One Seatpost was one of them, and it promised performance similar to a specialized Roval Terra carbon seatpost. I just bought and purchased an Elita One Carbon Seatpost. Now this is supposed to be, you know, a suspension seatpost. It gives flex similar to a Roval Terra. And it was about $70 on AliExpress. Had it shipped, installed it, used the proper shims for a round seat tube rails, and tightened it to the 12 nanometer torque specification. I used the carbon assembly paste on all of the carbon components because it is carbon and that gives the carbon grip. And this thing is still just slipping backwards. It is not a good seat post. It's making creaking noises. I can't get the creaking noises out, and it's making, and it just keeps slipping backwards. So this thing is going in the Adventures with Paul has been bin. Thank you for watching. You win some, you lose some. So stay tuned to the channel. I do have a specialized Cirrus 2,000-mile long-term review coming up. And another thing that I'm thinking about is coming up with a rating on my sun hoodies. If you saw on my jersey, I got a really cool orange salmon-looking sun hoodie from Patagonia, which is awesome. Catch you guys on the road.